Okay, guys, good day and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be talking about how to self click on Admob, the latest method and what's new. There's nothing much that is new on Admob. Okay, so first of all, let's get to connected to VPN. I just got kicked out of my from my HMA VPN, as you guys can see. They kicked me out, man. It's not funny. So if I try to connect to USA or any country now, it keeps telling me my VPN has expired and it's supposed to expire on 5th of July 2021. Let's use Tubo for the tutorial, Tubo VPN. So I will message their support after this video actually. So let's use Tubo. Okay, let's connect to any country. Fuck. Is it a must to go premium? Not interested. Okay, so basically the VPN is connected now. Don't use USA only, you understand? Try to use random countries also, you understand? Like you can use UK, Ukraine, any country. Okay. So this is the app. This is my app that I used to be safe clicking. But before anything, let's go to war.net, which is on my Firefox. My Firefox, well, yeah. Okay, now let's go to war. Let's go to war.net. So let's put this website over here. .net. Okay, so basically I'm on Fubo VPN, so I don't expect something much from my location. It's supposed to be disguised and many other things. But trust me, I'm not using it. Even Word.net discover they dictate I'm on the VPN, you understand? So they dictate I'm on VPN. Okay, so let's go to where we are here. Let's know their date time. Okay, so the country IP address. Okay, let's try to know their date. Okay, the time in system. Wow, it seems the time is the same. I think our time and Berlin time is like it's the same thing. So in case it's not, just come over here. If you're calling something like maybe UK or USA, you just come over here. I don't know where's this thing, dates and time. Where would I see my dates and time? Just search up. After the latest update, I lose many things. Dates. Fuck. It's taking some time. Okay, so I don't know why it's taking this much time. So as just connect your date to the one that you'll be seeing here. You understand? This is your local time, this is your system time, this is West Africa standard time, you understand? So our time at the time is seems the same thing. Just load, fuck. How it will be easier if it's load and I will show you how to get over that one. Okay, so maybe we can leave that one for now. Okay, so I've seen the dates. Just go to daytime. Remove your time from automatic if it's not automatic. Just select it. You have to click on the region. You search the region. Maybe you use Berlin then. The VPN is connected to Berlin or Germany. Germany. Okay. So this Germany time plus 01 as you can see. Our time matches 01 minus plus 01 plus 01. Look here very well. So plus 01 and this one also is plus 01. So the next thing to do is to check your app ID. You understand? Go back here, go back. And where is Google? Go to Google settings. It's load. It's loading. Okay. My app ID. Go to ads. This one over here. Okay. reset this app ID every time. You understand? Enable debug login for ads. You understand? Try to reset your app ID every time. But if you can notice something here, this 79 at the back is changing. You click on it again, it's changed to another ID. You understand? So this ID basically it kills your CPC. Well, it's advisable to do it maybe 3 times a day, 4 times a day, and so on. So after doing this, there's some couple of things you need to off in your account service. That's been a long. No, manage your account. Manage your account. I will tell you some things you have to off from Google so they won't dictate. It's not they will not dictate, but they're going to dictate a little bit. Understand? Data and personalization. This web and app activities off everything. Because once you browse in Google, Google has every details you are using. You're browsing on Play Store, you are browsing on YouTube. But one good thing about this thing, it helps you to increase your CPC. You understand? Off it, you off it. So another good thing about here is you can use any email from your phone. Maybe let me try to use this email address. Let me try to change another email to another email address. So maybe this where's okay. Cool. Let me use this email address to off everything because I'm using this email address to click. So if I want to click, I change my email sometimes. If I remember, okay, you have to off this one. Off it. It will actually show one off. Auto detect. It's not clicking. It's not pressing. I don't know why. So if your own is pressing, just off everything. Since my phone has hanged or something like that, if I don't know. I don't know why it's not clicking. YouTube history. Make sure you off everything that is here. It's not clicking anywhere. I don't know. Maybe because my phone is getting hot. I don't know why. So make sure you off everything that is here. Everything. Just make sure you off it. Don't look at me. I might be offing my own and some other. So these are basically the tricks you have to use to Google. Make sure you off everything. You understand? You come to okay now. After I've off everything, you go back to your app. Make sure you don't have any cache or any data in it. Click on app info, and once you're in app info, you go on to storage. You clear data, clear all the data, and you go back to your website, to your app. My VPN is still connected. My VPN is still connected, so just click on your app. Okay, so basically these are my app jokes. If you want something like this, you can easily contact me on WhatsApp for the app. I will drop my number in the description below. So now that you're in the app, let's think like a real user. Understand? This is what Google maybe this is 90% of what will make Google to terminate your account and make Google to free your account also. See, you cancel this ads here now. You cancel it. I don't know what's happening to my phone. Click on CNN. And the island will load faster. Okay. You understand? This is what they call the building of impression. You understand? You close it. Once you close it, you understand? You maybe stay here for like 15 to 20 minutes per click. I don't know if it's possible for you. Just 15, the minimum of 5 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes per click. So if you need an app that will show video ads, I can help you with that also. You understand? I can help you with that one. This thing above here, this ads above here, this AD here, it's where I can show your video ads. But not now is I don't link to this app. So just read news like a real user. And after you read news, not a must you will click immediately. You might decide that okay, let me kind of leave my app, you clear your data again, app info, storage, you clear it again, go back to your VPN. VPN is already disconnected safe. Wow. I foresee I just see glue advert right now. So you click on locations. You have to use a premium VPN, please. Then you go to maybe let's go to US. You understand? Let's go to US. It has connected, just connected to US, connected. Now let me go back to my app. And once I enter my app again, I'm back as a fresh guy, which is I'm back as another person in USA. You understand? So basically, you don't have to click every time. Sometimes you just come to your app, build impression, read news, build impression, build more impressions, about 500 minimum impression a day. If you notice something here, you see this thing change than the other one. You understand? Above here, you see something change. This thing changed. So that will show you are already in USA. Okay, now you close it. And fuck, it's taking time to do. Let me go back to Netherlands because it's load easier than CNN. Okay, it has load. Okay. See now, let's click on ads because of time. You click on open, and once it's open, fuck, it's opening in Chrome. Okay, it's not supposed to open in Chrome, and if your own is opening in Chrome, this is a bit too way of solve it. Just come here, come to settings. I don't even know how to get this thing back. Okay, permission. Where will I see permission? Permission manager. I don't know about your own, but this is how I'm setting my own app permissions. But it's supposed to be the same thing. I don't know the model of your phone, so just try to figure it out. Okay, okay, for my browsing. Wow. Let me try this method. Let me try this method. Where's my Firefox? Let me go to app info and permission. Let me give it permission to, wow, I don't even know how to set this again. Safe. Okay, so basically just browser, yeah, browser app, just give it to Firefox. You understand? And anytime you click again, no, Firefox, I'll give it the default browser to be Firefox. And anytime you click again, let's assume I'm taking a risk right now. Let's assume I open it again. As you can see, it has opened in Firefox. So once I'm in Firefox, the work is not yet done. Don't just go back and clear up data again. The work is not yet done. You have already do about 10% and it remains like 90% again. So once it load, I will tell you what I mean. Okay, the page is loading. Wow. Try again. My VPN what has my phone has even disconnected. So I don't know, maybe it's my network or something like that. So if you add load, this page you had bring you to the page it brought you to, just make sure you stay here about 5 minutes. If there's any form to fill, because 90% of the ads you click, there must be form to fill, even 100%. Click on the form, fill the form with the fake details. So once you do this, it's also helping your CPC. I've made a research and I've even realized it on my own self. You understand? Just make a research and you see what I'm trying to say. It helps you in your CPC and every other things. So just if it loads now, I will show you guys how easily it is for me to create it. Like change one or two things, fill some form, click links, it will redirect me to somewhere. Because if you shake here now, I will show you something. You will see Google is still following you. Oh fuck. I don't know how this browser is not changing, but if I can copy out this link, if I can copy out the link, I want to show you. Okay, I don't know about this browser. This browser is rubbish. Okay, you see, but Google is still following you guys. As you can see, this is still the link generated by Google, and Google is still monitoring everything you do. As you can see it here, they are still monitoring everything you do. So you have to click away the link. If it load now, I will show you the easy way to just click away the link and let the link go. You understand? So that's it. And after you do that, come back to your Firefox, audit app info. Where is my storage? Clear data, clear app data. Okay, go back to your app, which is my world news. And one good thing about this world news is that you can share it to people, as many people as you want. You can even upload it on Play Store because it's a news app and people will get to read it, and you understand, you get more audience. So if you need an app like this, you can actually contact me on WhatsApp. I will drop my number below. And if you need anything, you can message me on WhatsApp. But nothing is free, as you guys know. I will charge some token for it. So app info, go to storage, clear data. Even your app you used to click. And now I'm going to off my Wi-Fi. If I'm using VPN, I'm going to off my VPN and every other things. Okay, guys, thanks for watching this video. Do well to subscribe. If you need anything, if you want me to help you with everything, just come here. Message me on WhatsApp with this number. Just message me on WhatsApp with this number. Have a nice day, guys.